In battery testing, long-term cycling must be both precise and safe. In this demonstration, we show how the WF5218 battery monitoring module helps protect and automate real battery tests, even when the module has no built-in BMS. Today we are working with a small EV module with 8 cells in series, equipped with 3 external NTC temperature sensors taped directly to the module.
Here we connect the 8 series EV battery module to the WF5218. And here we attach 3 NTC sensors at key positions on the battery to monitor thermal behavior.
The WF5218 handles real-time voltage and temperature monitoring. Communication runs through the WF gateway using USB and Modbus, enabling direct integration with LabVIEW or any other environment such as C or Python.
We also connect a programmable DC power supply that will be used for charging and discharging during cycling of the battery.
Before starting automated cycling, the engineer performs manual validation using the out-of-box instrument panel.
Here we see 8 cell voltages as well as 3 NTC temperature sensors live. I will now manually charge and discharge the module to see that everything works as expected.
Typical safety limits include undervoltage at 2.75 volts, overvoltage at 4.1 volts, and an overtemperature threshold at 50 degrees Celsius. Once the system is verified, the engineer uses LabVIEW to run a fully automated cycling program built with the open Modbus API.
This application cycles the module between 22 to 32.8 volts. It logs all cell voltages and temperatures and controls the power supply directly.
The program runs continuously, 24 hours a day, to evaluate how the battery's capacity changes over time. If any safety threshold is exceeded, the system immediately stops the test. As the long-term test progresses, temperatures begin to rise. Approaching the safety limit, the WF5218 continues to monitor all channels in real time. When the temperature reaches 50 degrees Celsius, the safety threshold is exceeded.
I just received a text message. The test system automatically stopped the test due to overtemperature, but everything is safe now. Let's go to the container and check it out.
The WF5218 protects the battery by stopping charge and discharge instantly. The temperature stabilizes and the test enters a safe shutdown mode.
The system worked exactly as intended. Safe, reliable, and fully automated.
For manual validation or month-long automated cycling, the WF5218 provides complete insight and protection, keeping your battery tests safe around the clock.